Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple home DIYs that will make your work very easy. It is time saving and cost saving too. So here we will show you some simple hacks to peel the mushroom. You can just cut it from the between and then press it like this. You can use these tools to cut it into small pieces and it will save a lot of time for you, isn't it? You can get these tools easily in the market and it's done. Isn't it so amazing? Another vegetables too, or else do you want to grow some vegetables on your home? So for that you have to cut the vegetables from its root like this, put it on the water bottle, fill some water and then put the cut water bottle like this and fill the vegetables over it and wait for some few days and it's done. Next, do you want some vegetable or the grain dispenser like this? So put the water bottle, cut it and then put some plastic on it and fill the multigrains or any type of grains you want and the dispenser is ready. Next, you can make the garbage collecting very easy. Just put the tape on your broom like this at the end and the garbage will stick onto it and it's ready. Next, we will show you some easy ways to use this dish cleaner. Put the water bottle over it like this and put the cap and it's ready. So next, you must have gone through that bandage pull out when you get hurt and it gets wet and it's come out very easily. So here this hack will help you to fix it properly. Just cut it from the sides and fix it in the same way as we are showing in this video and you can try this. It will never come out until you remove it. So next we will showing you some more DIYs. Watch the video till the end. You can put some brushes inside the gloves like this and store it and it will be very easy to collect them and carry them. Next we'll be showing you some easy ways to clean your air conditioner nets. So just take a bucket and fill it with water, put some detergent on it and then put the net inside it and it's done. See how easy it is. Next, we will show you some more interesting DIYs. You can use these at your homes and will make your work very easy and it's money saving and time saving. Next, we'll showing you some dumpling makers. You can use these tools to make the dumplings or the sweets at home very easily and it will save a lot of time for you. So you can get these tools easily in the market. You can purchase them from there or you can get these online. After that, we will showing you some more interesting DIYs. So here it is a peeler. You can use these to peel the vegetables or the fruits. Just put it in the front and it will peel it for you. Next, we'll be showing you some more interesting DIYs. So it is a very easy tool which will save a lot of time to put the thread inside the needles. You can purchase them and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.